Yes, sir. My name is Renabudi Poliedo from Section G2F-1. The title is Steps to Take in Case of Ship's Damage. Introduction. Ship damage such as collision, grounding, flooding, or fire can affect the vessel's stability and safety. Immediate and correct action are necessary to protect the crew, cargo, and the ship itself. Number 1. Initial actions after ship damage. A. Raise the alarm. First, sound the general, inform the master and engine room immediately. Third, master the emergency team. B. Assess the damage. First, determine the location and extent of damage. Check for flooding, hull cracks, fire, oil leakage, injured crew members. C. Close watertight openings. First, shut watertight doors, hatches, and valves. Second, prevent water from spreading to other compartments. D. Reduce free surface effect. First, empty or completely fill slack tanks. Second, this minimize loss of stability. Number 3. Counter checking and effectiveness of action. A. Monitor stability condition. Check. First, list angle, drop readings, trim, GM or metacentric heights. B. Sound tanks and compartments. First, measure water egress regularly. Second, confirm and flooding and increasing are controlled. C. Inspect damage continuously. First, damage control team should inspect affected areas. Second, ensure temporary repairs remain active. 4. Introduction. In case of ship damage, quick response and proper damage control are essential to maintain the ship's stability and safety. Effective communication, flooding, control, counter, flooding, ballast, transfer, and continuously monitoring capsizing or sinking. Proper training prepare the crew to handle emergencies efficiently.